Hi, hello, welcome to all. This is Bhaskar Book. We are discussing 5th chapter Quadratic Equations from 10th class Mathematics. As in the part of this chapter, in our earlier videos, we discussed some of the examples which are given before exercise 5.3. Now, let us see the fourth problem from exercise 5.3. So the fourth problem is given as the sum of the reciprocals of Rehman's ages in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So by reading this problem only once, we do not understand it properly. So to make this clear, we have to read this problem again and again until we understand it clearly. So I am going to read this problem again to make the problem clear. The sum of the reciprocals of Rehman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. So what is this 1 by 3? It is the sum of the reciprocals ages of Rehman. So what ages here we are taking? We have to take first the age of the Rehman before 3 years. So here we need to consider Rehman's age 3 years ago, and then we need to take the same person, that is Rehman's age after 5 years. So first we have to take the Rehman's age before 3 years, and next we have to take the same person Rehman's age after 5 years, and then we have to take their reciprocals. So whatever the ages we are taking here, we have to take the reciprocals of these two ages, and then we have to add them. By adding them we get 1 by 3. So this is the given information. So what we have to find here? We have to find his present age. So what is his present age? That one we have to find here. So let us solve this problem. So let us see the solution of this problem. So here we have to find the present age of Rehman. So let us assume the present age as x years. So we are taking the present age of Rehman as x years. Since we don't know what is his present age, that one we have to find out. So we are assuming that age with x years. So now we take the present age of Rehman as x years. So using this x years, let us find out the Rehman's age before 3 years and after 5 years. So if the Rehman's present is x years, then what would be the age of Rehman's 3 years ago? Very good. To know that, we have to subtract 3 from his present age. So age of Rehman before 3 years or 3 years ago is, what we have to do? From his present age we have to take out 3. So we get x minus 3 years, which was the Rehman's age before 3 years. Now in the similar way, let us find out the age of Rehman after 5 years. So tell me, what will be the Rehman's age after 5 years? Very good. It will be x plus 5 years. So we have to add 5 years to the present age so that we get the age of Rehman after 5 years. Now we have the ages of Rehman before 3 years and after 5 years, which are x minus 3 years and x plus 5 years respectively. Now next what we have to do? So here in the problem it is given that we have to take the reciprocals of these two ages and then we have to add them. So we get 1 by 3 as the result. So now taking the reciprocals of x minus 3 and x plus 5. We get, so what is the reciprocal of x minus 3? Reciprocal means multiplicate inverse. So the reciprocal of x minus 3 is 1 by x minus 3, and the reciprocal of x plus 5 is 1 by x plus 5. So now we have the reciprocals of these two edges, and next what we have to do, we have to add these two. So let us add these two, 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5. So by adding these two, what we get? The sum of these two equals to 1 by 3 it is given, so which is equals to 1 by 3 we can write, since by problem. Now we have to simplify this. So to simplify this, here we have x minus 3 in the denominator, and here we have x plus 5 in the denominator. So to eliminate these two denominators, we have to multiply this entire equation with x minus 3 and x plus 5 on both sides. So by multiplying with x minus 3 and x plus 5 on both sides, so what we get? So here I am multiplying with x minus 3 and x plus 5 for this equation. So we get x minus 3 into x plus 5 in bracket 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5, which is equals to 1 by 3 into, so this side also we have to multiply with x minus 3 and x plus 5. Now by distributing this product into inside the bracket, we get, here I am writing x minus 3 into x plus 5 into 1 by x minus 3. So we distributed to the first term, and similarly let us distribute this product to the next term, x minus 3 into x plus 5, and the second term, that is into 1 by x plus 5, which is equals to what we have here, 1 by 3rd into x minus 3 into x plus 5, which can be written as x minus 3 into x plus 5 by 3. Now here x minus 3 get cancelled, and in the second term x plus 5 get cancelled. So here we left with x plus 5 plus, and in the second term we left with x minus 3, which is equals to x minus 3 into x minus 5 can be written as x into x, x square, and x into 5, 5x, and minus 3 into x, minus 3x, and minus 3 into 5, minus 15 by 3. And here we can simplify this to x plus x equals to 2x, and 5 minus 3 will be equals to 2, which is equals to x square. So here plus 5x minus 3x are like terms. So by adding these two we get plus 2x and minus 15 by 3. Now let's transpose this 3 to left hand side. By transposing it becomes multiplication. So we get 3 into 2x plus 2 equals to x square plus 2x minus 15. And let us simplify on this side, left hand side. If we multiply 3 to the terms inside the bracket, we get 3 into 2x equals to 6x plus 3 into 2 6, which is equals to x square plus 2x minus 15. And further transposing these two terms to the right hand side, we get x square, and here we have plus 2x, and this plus 6x, if we transpose to right hand side it becomes minus 6x, and here we have minus 15, and plus 6 will become minus 6. So now what we get, x square plus 2x minus 6x will become minus 4x, and minus 15 minus 6 equals to minus 21. So now we get a quadratic equation, that is x square minus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. So the given situation can be represented with this quadratic equation, that is x square minus 4x minus 21. Now we need to find the solution of this quadratic equation. So for that we can use factorization method or completing square method or quadratic formula to obtain the solution of this quadratic equation. So do this on your own and find the solution of this x, so that you get the present age of Rehman.